I grew up hearing gunshots instead of lullabies. This isn't a movie. It's not a story someone made up for views. This is my life, the raw truth. I was born in a small village in Syria. My father worked the land with bare hands, and my mother was a teacher. We had very little, sometimes not enough to eat, but we were close. We had love. I still remember the smell of fresh bread in the mornings, the way my siblings and I laughed playing football on dusty roads. But everything changed when the war reached our village. I was 10 when I first saw a dead body. It was my neighbor. His house was bombed. My mother covered my eyes, but it was too late. That image never left me. Then one day, it was our house. I remember a loud explosion. Windows shattered. The sky turned red with dust. I ran home, screaming my mother's name. All I saw was rubble and her hand sticking out from beneath the concrete. We had no time to cry. My father grabbed our hands and we fled that same night. No food, no bags, just our lives. We walked for days, hiding during the day, moving under the moonlight. My little sister almost died from dehydration. I still remember how her lips cracked from thirst. We crossed the border into Turkey with smugglers. It was dangerous, terrifying, but we survived. Somehow. In Turkey, we became just refugees. We lived in a tent near a construction site. My father worked long hours for very little pay. I, just 11 years old, worked in a small repair shop. My hands got blisters, my feet hurt all the time, but I didn't complain. I couldn't afford to. At night, I borrowed an old phone from a friend at the shop. That phone became my teacher. I watched YouTube videos to learn English, then programming. I didn't understand everything, but I tried. One line of code at a time. One word at a time. It took years, but I didn't stop. At 16, I built my first website. It was terrible, honestly, but it worked. A client from another country paid me $50. That was the first money I made with my brain, not my hands. That day, I cried. Not because of the money, because it was the first time I felt I had a future. I kept learning, got more clients. Eventually, we got accepted into Germany. I went back to school, got scholarships. Then, I opened my own tech company. Today, I lead a team. We create apps that help other refugees find resources and work. I still remember that dusty road, the cries, the silence after the bombs. But now, I also remember the moment I looked in the mirror and realized I didn't escape war. I fought through it, and I won. I'm not just a refugee. I'm a survivor. I'm a builder. I'm proof that even from the ashes, a future can rise.